Hello everyone, and welcome to Understanding the Krebs Cycle through Pokémon. You may be wondering, how can you compare Pokémon to a biological process? Well, they are more similar than you may think. They both consist of 8 major steps. Both gain items/energy through the progression of the 8 steps, and both are continuous, as the Krebs cycle repeats continuously, and so does Pokémon, as you can restart your game and do it all over again. Now, let's begin with an analogy. You start off Pokémon in the same manner you always would. Get out of your house, obtain a Pokémon, and meet with the professor to pick up your Pokédex. In this world, the 8th gym leader is the professor, and when they give it to you, they request that you give it back at the end of your journey. Now it's time for you to set out on your adventure. You travel from gym to gym, collecting Pokémon, and once you beat the 2nd gym, you obtain an HM, and you obtain another one from beating the 3rd gym. After that, you beat the 4th gym and receive a bike. This will help you travel faster and more efficiently. After beating the 5th gym, you will get a TM, and continue on to your travels. You beat the 6th gym, and continue on your travel. The next gym is unique. It's the water gym, and you must cross a river to get to it. Remember that step, that you must pass through the water to get to the gym. It's important for later. Now, once you beat the 7th gym, you get the last HM you'll need for your adventure, and now it's time to go to the 8th gym. Once you beat the 8th gym, you return the Pokédex to the professor and your journey is done. The professor can now give the Pokédex to a new trainer to start the process all over again. Now, in this diagram alongside the Pokémon items, there are the Krebs cycle items. Obtaining the Pokédex equals COA, HMs are equal to NAD+, to NADH, and CO2. The bike is equal to GDP going to GTP, and the TM is FAD+, to FADH. Crossing the river to get to the water gym is the addition of H2O. Now, this is the more complex diagram, and may look confusing, so just go back and refresh yourself on the simpler examples, and come back to this one once you're ready. The new diagram has the 8 gyms being labeled as the 8 Krebs cycle stages. For example, the first gym has the name of the first stage of Krebs cycle. So let's go through it together. Gym 1 is citrate. You progress to Gym 2, which is isocitrate. You go to Gym 3, which is alpha-ketoglutarate. Then progress to Gym 4, being succinyl-CoA. Then, similarly, Gym 5 is called succinate. Gym 6 is called fumarate. Gym 7 is malate. And the final gym is oxaloacetate. Those are all the names of a Krebs cycle. Now here is the full Krebs cycle. No more Pokémon analogies here. Remember that between each step in the Krebs cycle, a molecular change has occurred. Hopefully this video has helped your understanding, and please like and subscribe for more science content, and comment any questions you may have.